I'm sorry, I'm like so sleepy, but it's not even that late. Hey guys, it's Leia, and I am going to react to BtoB's Beep Beep comeback stage. Yes! Okay. I was like resting, and one of my friends sent me their video, and I was like, oh, I need to watch. So I'm gonna pull it up right now. I have it right here. Alright, so we're gonna watch BtoB's Beep Beep comeback stage. Sorry, I'm like really sleepy. BtoB's Beep Beep comeback stage on M Countdown. Let's check this out. Oh no. Oh my god. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me put this in HD. Oh, yeah, I'm sick! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh! Oh my god. I like this. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Oh, they're cute! Yeah. Oh, maniac. Woo. Oh, maniac. Ah, maniac. God, I'm just so happy to see them. I wish the camera wasn't moving so much. I really want to see the choreo. Because they didn't really show in the video. Oh. Oh no. That's a breakdown. Oh, Chungsub's voice. I love it. Oh. Oh, I love this. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, I got it with them. This is so cute. Go Ilhun, go Ilhun, go Ilhun. Oh, this is my favorite part of the video. Like the whole breakdown. Yes. Oh, this makes me so happy. Oh, maniac. Oh my god, my biceps are next to each other. Yes. Oh, my battery's gonna die. It's BtoB's comeback stage for Beep Beep. And despite being sleepy, I was very happy. Oh, I love it. I love it. I already talked about how much I love the music video and seeing the stage. I wish, this is the thing about music shows for me, I just wish they did not move the camera so much, because I just want to see like their choreo, you know? and it just keeps like moving, and I'm just like, let me look at it. But other than that, love it, love the fun concept. I really hope they get at least a win, because this is like a really great concept. I know there's like competition because Sunmi's full moon came out the same day that they did, so we'll see. But that's it, guys. This is Leia. This is my reaction, and you'll see more of me hopefully soon. Till the next one. Oh, actually I have some requests that you guys have for certain music videos, so I think I'll get to that. If not today, then probably tomorrow. Alright guys, take care and have a great day. Bye.